A couple of years ago, we suddenly had a leak in our roof, an area of our house we don't use a lot. And so I started calling some roofers in our area. None of them could come out for months ahead of time. And of course, I couldn't wait months. And a friend of mine suggested Guardian. And I called Guardian, and they came out like the next day, and they temporarily patched the roof in terrible weather. They came, they did the job, they were courteous, wonderful. And then this winter, we decided to have our whole roof replaced, and we got 3 estimates, and Guardian gave us the best estimate. And we had a wonderful service representative, Dallas, and we enjoyed working with him so much both times. And we're very pleased. The men came and did their work. They stayed all day, they cleaned up, and we're happy we have a new roof, and we thought the pricing was very fair. So we highly recommend Guardian, and I've had a couple neighbors actually ask for their contact information.